Hey everyone, blessed with another beautiful sunset here at Creative Works Farm, the proud home of Camp Light. Here we set the post in the basement, the day ahead of the Metwood Building Solutions team coming out with the pan pour-over system. I want to say thank you to Glass Innovations for coming out and volunteering all day long, along with Mark Battle for bringing his crane with Mainframe Builders and Big Daddy Diesel. So here we are slinging the beams in. I think it was about 34 of them, and set them in the post, and then you self-tap screw those to the post. It has plates on the columns ready to go. And then you can see some of the fellows over here from Glass Innovations starting to put down the pan system. I think we put it on about 3,000 fasteners. It's self-tapping screws, and you put on the seams, you put them about 1 foot on center, and the cross beams about the same. So we want to say thank you to all the crews that came out, the people that came out to check out the Metwood product. Glass Innovations brought us, I don't know, 6 or 7 guys. They worked all day long with us, so big thanks to them. Check them out at the glassinnovations.com. They do frameless showers. They do amazing work. So check them out for your shower needs. Also, Mark Battle with Mainframe Builders, custom home framing. And then also he has Big Daddy Diesel for any of your diesel needs here local in Waynesboro. But then the Metwood system, we want to thank the guys from the Callahan family for all their hard work in getting our floor designed. And please check them out for any great building solutions with concrete stuff, with metal framing. They do some great design work, and they can come up with solutions for all kinds of unique situations. Now, with this pan pour-over system, we're creating what I call a bunker in the basement that will create a safe space. So if we ever to have like an emergency with the camp, we can take the kids there to be in a safe spot in case of a storm or some kind of inclement weather. Up top, we'll have the commercial kitchen on this end, the dining hall in the middle, and then the bathrooms on the other end. And then in the basement, it'll actually be used as a rec area. So the left side of the building will actually be bowling lanes, and then the rec area and the rest of it along with the bathroom down there. You can see we do like a conventional style framing around the stairs where it uses joist hangers to hold the cross joist, and then you can do walls underneath or put posts under it either way. There you can see it from underneath. We're probably going to end up just painting the ceiling black, or maybe leave some of it metal so it looks kind of industrial. Yeah, you can see it here as we're putting the beams in. This is a really easy system to install. There's some of the crew that was helping us out. Big shout out to all of them that helped. I was really surprised we were able to get all this done in one day. And then on Saturday, we finished up the fasteners, all the rebar, me, Nick, and Tony, and then Raymond excavating. We tied the grid on the actual building, but we still got to do the porch. That was a lot of ties. Here I am with Mike. Check out our video coming up with him, where you can learn more about him and their whole company. Big shout out to everyone that helped. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video.